welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys Daniel Wellington's newest Valentine's Day collection, as well as their packaging, which is specially for this celebration, and their newest collection known as the Elan Unity necklace and bracelet. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's start with the Daniel Wellington unique packaging, which is specially created just for this Valentine's Day collection. So as you can see, this is the watch packaging, and this is the bracelet and necklace packaging. And over here you have the Love, L-O-V-E. Usually it's only Daniel Wellington. So this is really unique because the double O here actually is their newest Elan collection design, which makes it even more unique. And this is like the perfect gift for a loved one to show your love to them. So over here, other than love, you can see Daniel Wellington here. And yeah, the design itself is really luxurious and feels really nice, which is the same for the necklace as well. You can see Daniel Wellington over right here. I'll show you guys a close-up of the packaging when I unbox each of them one by one. So yeah. So let's start with their Elan Unity collection, which is the necklace and bracelet. So this is the packaging as I mentioned earlier, which is really cute. And when you slide it open, it comes with a box that says Daniel Wellington. And when you open it up, you have your items inside. I'll show you guys a close-up details right now, so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect and close up on the details of the newest collection. So this is their Elan Unity necklace in their new packaging, which looks really cute. And this design is inspired by their Valentine's Day theme, which is joining two singular links as one pair, which is really wonderful. Daniel Wellington is engraved on the pair of rings as well. And yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like when I wear them on. I really love their chain, which is very easy and simple to clip on, so it's wonderful. So this is the Elan Unity necklace, which is really cute. As you can see, the design here is the one that you see on the box. It states like Unity, which is the figure of like infinity. And there is Daniel Wellington engraved on the necklace, which makes it really unique. So the design is really cute. It comes in a variety of colors. I choose the one in rose gold color because that's what I like best, and it's just really very pretty. And I love how simple it is, which makes it more elegant. So yeah, that's how it looks like when you wear them on, which is really cute. So this is the Elan Unity bracelet. So this theme comes with both new bracelet and necklace as well, which can be made into like a pair, which looks wonderful. I like to wear it together on days that I go out. So yeah. So this is the Elan Unity bracelet. I also choose the one in rose gold color to match with the necklace in rose gold as well. So yeah, the design itself, as you can see, is really exquisite. And it's engraved with Daniel Wellington as well over the infinity ring that is chained together, which makes it really cute. And the clip is like that. It's very easily clip on. And yeah, it's really wonderful, and I just love how it looks like. So lastly, we have their watch. I picked up a really cute watch. It's not the Elan Unity collection, but it's packaged in this new design for Valentine's Day as well. So let's start it open. And you have here Daniel Wellington. And I have the Daniel Wellington iconic Lumine watch, which comes with the Swarovski crystal. I'll show you guys a close-up right now. It's really pretty. It's actually one of my favorite Daniel Wellington watch that I wear out really often because of their unique design. So yeah. So this is the Daniel Wellington Lumine iconic watch. It actually comes in different design, but this design comes with the Swarovski crystal, which makes it so unique and very pretty. And I really love the contrasting color, which looks super great. And the best part is it comes with extra link, so in case it doesn't fit you, you can always put on extra link to make it fit perfectly. So yeah. So this is the Daniel Wellington iconic Lumine watch. So if you previously watched my video, I actually show you guys the iconic watch This is a Lumine one with the Swarovski crystal, which is really unique, and it actually have a mixture of color as well, which is the rose gold and silver color, which makes it even more unique. The face watch itself comes in different size. I choose the smaller size in 28mm because I like something small and dainty, but you can choose the bigger one if it suits you better. And the design itself is really pretty. It comes with this clip in, so you can just easily wear it on by yourself like this. And then if you want to wear it, it's very simple, so just clip and over here. So it's really very pretty, and Daniel Wellington actually tailored it to your size as well. So I got it according to my wrist size, which is really perfect. So yeah, I really like the design and the contrasting color, which brings out the watch face as well. Thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you guys think of this Valentine's Day collection, and see you guys next time. Bye.